You're going to take out your school bag, okay, in shop. Which school bag? Sack, it is small school bag, okay. And the shopkeeper is already decided the amount of that bag, that is 200. What? 200. What is the amount of that bag? 200. And you are given 500 to that shopkeeper. 200. Okay, very good. Yes. So you are given 500 to that shopkeeper. Yes. And you're taking the bag and coming from the shop. Yes. Tell me that shopkeeper how much amount, remaining amount given to you? Yes. Which amount come from the shopkeeper? That is 300. That is 300. 300 rupees the shopkeeper will give return. Yes or no? Yes. So that means orally everyone understood the sums. Okay. How to give the money to shopkeeper and how to return. How to make the return. Yes or no? For this knowledge, you want to go with your parents always to the shop. Yes or no? That means you will understood how to take out the proper money from shopkeeper, how to give the proper money to shopkeeper. Yes or no? Yes. So now students, I am going to share you one again image. Okay. That is related to the coins and currency notes. Now next image is there. It is uploading on your screen. Okay. Now look at here. Yes, my screen is visible properly. Yes, students. Okay. Now here are three sums given to you. I am going to highlight which three are there. Okay. This is the one. This is the two, second sum. And last one is the third sum. Okay. Last one is the third sum. Now students, your first sum is here. Okay. First sum. Look at here. First sum. Yes, tell me how much notes are there on your screen. 10 rupees total. How much notes are there? Yes, this is your first sum. But I'm going to highlight with red color. This is your first sum. This is the second. And again the third. Okay. Again the third. Yes. Now first one. Which note is there? In first one, which note is there? 10 rupees note is there. Okay. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Total how much rupees? Yes, 10 you want to add 4 times. 10 you want to add 4 times. How much rupees? Very good. That is total 40 rupees. Okay. Yes, that is total 40 rupees. Where I given the line, you want to add together. Okay. Don't go to the slide showing line. Okay. Where I'm given the line, there you want to go. Now, this is 40 rupees. Ready? Next one. You want to take out the coins. Yes, identify which coins are there. Identify which coins are there. 1 rupees coins are there. Okay, how many coins are there? 1 rupees, how many coins are there? Tell me. 1 rupees, how many coins are there? 4 coins are there. Yes or no? See, now I'm going to highlight with, it's a blue color. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many coins are there? 4 coins are there and plus 10 rupees. 4 coins plus 10 rupees. Tell me students, total how much rupees are there? 14. Very good. Total how many rupees are there? 14. Okay. Now go to the next. Same sum is there. Go to the next. Yes. 14 is there. Second answer is what? 40. Third one. Go to the third one. 10 rupees plus 10 rupees plus 10 rupees plus 10 rupees. Again, 40 rupees are there. Okay. Yes or no? Yes. Now students, I am going to share you the whiteboard, and on whiteboard I am going to ask you the questions. Ready? Yes. You all are ready? I am going to ask you the questions on whiteboard. Okay. Yes. Now my drawing is not proper, but I am going to draw the circle, and in circle I want to write the numbers, so you want to add together. Okay, student? You want to add together. Yes, very good. Okay. Now stop to send the message in chat box. When I'm going to ask you, at that time you want to reply in chat box. Okay. Ready everyone? The coin of 2 rupees. The coin of 5 rupees. And, wait a second student. Okay. And the note of 100 rupees. Yes. Count it. Total count it and tell me how much rupees are there. You want to add. You want to add this all. Very good. 100 plus 5 plus 2. That is, who's given 108 answer? Addition also not able to do properly. 108. Wait a second. I'm going to check out the answers. Some students are sending the 108. Yes, 800. Answer is wrong. Okay, by mistakenly. No problem. Yes, so how much rupees are there total? 100 plus 5 plus 7. That is 107. 107 rupees. How much rupees? 107 rupees. Okay? Clear? Now sometimes I'm going to ask you the orally. Okay? And you want to keep in your mind what teacher is going to ask and tell me the total together amount. Okay, student? Now, next sum I'm going to give you on whiteboard. That is a note of 5 rupees. A note of 2000 rupees. And the dollar of coin of 10 rupees. Coin of 10 rupees. Yes. Note of 2000 rupees and the 500 rupees. You want to add together. You want to add together and tell me how much rupees are there total. Very nice, Pradyumna, Manasvi, Manvi. Very good. I'm going to check out the answer, okay? Yes, Manvi. Kapil beta, what are you sending, Kapil Tiwari? Type properly. Gaurav, Kapil Tiwari, you given wrong answer. Viraj Tadvi, very good. Maruti, your also answer is wrong. Manasvi, Praveen Mane, your answer also wrong. You don't know the addition. It's a very simple addition. Arnav Vishwakarma, your addition also the wrong. Jagruti, How you're doing the addition, Aditya? But after that I told, no, it's a coin. More of the students, only selected students are given the proper answer. Another all students are given the wrong answer. This much simple sums you don't know. If suppose your parents given the notes in your hand, at that time what you will do? I given on whiteboard. Simple addition you don't know. 2000 plus 500. Okay, 2000 plus 500, that is 2500. 2500 plus 10 rupees. That means 2510. Yes. Another students? Yes. See, Swaranjali, 8000 given. How it's possible 8000? Kapil Tiwari again typing wrong digit. Kapil Tiwari. 205010. That means you don't know the addition also. Yes or no? Yes. Kapil Tiwari, unmute yourself. Kapil Tiwari. Unmute yourself. Kapil Tiwari. Am I audible clearly? Okay. Now, the next sum. Yes, Adarsh, very good. Pranjal Patil, very nice. Okay. From the next lecture, Kapil Tiwari, I am going to remove from your name. I am going to remove, okay? From the next lecture. Be ready. Yes, Kapil Tiwari.
Teacher,
Okay, now students, next I'm going to solve here. Again, I'm going to give you one sum. The note of 20 rupees plus 100 rupees plus coin of 5 rupees plus coin of 2 rupees. Yes, I want answer. Is equal to how many? Yes, tell me answer. 20 rupees plus 100 rupees plus 5 rupees plus 2. Sneha, now I announce the name. Those are given the wrong answer. Okay. Now I am going to announce the name. Okay. Purvaja, your answer is wrong. Tanishka, after that, I announce the name. Those are given the wrong answer. Okay. Purvaja, after that, Samarth, after that, next two is Adarsh. Again, wrong answer given. Adarsh Tiwari. Adarsh Yadav given right answer. Adarsh Tiwari. After that, Suchit. Yes, these students are given the wrong answer. Your correct answer is 127. Your correct answer is 127. How 127 will come? Now look at here. 100 plus simple sum is there, simple addition is there. 100 plus 20, 120, 120 plus 5, 125, 125 plus 2, 127. 125 plus 2, 127. Okay. Clear how to add this number? How to add now? Notes are not there on your screen, but you want to assume this all are the notes and you want to add the together. Okay, student? Yes, Kapil? Very good. 20. Yes. Very good. Another students? Understood how to add the notes? How to add the notes? Everyone understood? Okay. Now, student. Now, students. Okay, Kapil. It's okay. Now, listen properly what I'm going to ask you. Okay? I'm going to ask you the orally sums. Orally word problems. Listen properly. I want the correct answer from you. I want to check how much listening capacity is there with you. Okay? Ready, everyone? Yes, ready, everyone? Okay. Now, students, I'm going to ask you the orally word problems. Listen it properly and give me the answer. Yes, your friend is asking to you. Assume from your side, okay? Your friend is asking to you about the 500. Give me the 500. Okay? Yes or no? Yes, very good. Okay, now listen properly. Your friend is asking to you about the 500 rupees. Okay? From that 500, you are required the 300 for urgent work. Okay? Yes. Assume means you want to guess like this. Yes, my friend is asking to me the 500 rupees. Okay? My friend is asking to me about the 500 rupees. But I also want the 300 rupees from that. Okay? You also want the 300 rupees from that. So yes, tell me how much remaining amount you will give to your friend. Yes, very good. He is asking to you about the 500. But you also want the 300 urgent. Okay. So how much remaining amount you will give to your friend? Very good. 200 rupees. How much remaining? 200 rupees you will give to your friend. Okay. Now students, I'm going to share you one image again. Watch it properly, the image. Yes. Very good. Watch it properly, the image. And after that, tell me the answer. Okay. Now look at here. One image is there in front of you. I'm going to make it the zoom. Okay. Yes, tell me. What is there on your screen? Coins or notes? I'm going to make it the zoom the screen. I'm going to highlight with blue color over here. Yes. Now, first one like this. I'm going to make it the line here. Okay. Tell me about this. Coins are given to you. I make it zoom over there. Watch it properly. How much rupees coins are there? Add together and tell me. Yes. Add together and tell me. Very good. 5 rupees coin plus 2 rupees 2 coin. Okay. Very nice. It's a 9 rupees. 5 rupees 1 coin plus 2 rupees 2 coin. It's a total 9 rupees. Okay. Next. Now go to the next. Yes, go to the next. Tell me. No, now don't add the top side coin. Don't add. It's a separate. Yes, very good. 10 rupees note plus 1 rupees coin. No, beta. It's a 2 rupees coin. No, it's a 1 rupees coin. Watch it properly. It's a 1 rupees coin. That means 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Very nice. Now go to the next. Yes, go to the next. It's a 5 rupees 2 coin and 2 rupees 2 coin. Okay, I'm going to tell you. Okay, if suppose some students are not able to see properly how much rupees coins are there, not clearly visible, then I'm going to tell you 5 rupees 2 coin and 2 rupees 2 coin. Just tell me the total amount. Addition. It's a 14. Very nice. 1 4. Okay, not 40. It's a 14 rupees. Good. Now go to the next. Go to the next. Yes. Very nice. 2 rupees. How many coins are there? Tell me. 2 rupees. 3 coins are there. That means 6 rupees. Okay. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. And after that, 1 rupees. How many coins are there? 1 rupees. 2 coins are there. Very good. So 6 plus 2. Yes, tell me 6 plus 2. 8 rupees are there. Very nice. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 rupees. Good. So till here understood how to add the coins. If suppose anyone is given you the coins also and notes also. So it is possible to add. You will be able to add the numbers and coins. Okay, don't be get the confused. Okay. Now next, I'm going to show you the same screen, but it's a downside. Okay, wait a second, student. Yes. Now look at here. Notes given to you. What given to you? Okay, and what they're asking you, write the correct value inside each coin note so that the total value is the same as that given. Now, I'm going to ask you what you want to write here. Okay? Don't go to the heading. Now, I'm going to explaining you what you want to write over here. Yes, you want to make out the which given you, the note given you, the two note, the rectangle box means it is what? It's a notes. What is the shape of note? It's a rectangle. Okay? Yes, very good. Very nice. Now students, I am going to make out the screen zoom. Okay? Watch it properly. Here 20 rupees given to you. You want to make the 20. You want to divide the 20 in 3 parts. 2 coins and 1 note. Okay? 2 coins and 1 note. So tell me, how much rupees note will come there and how much rupees coins are there? 10 rupees note. Very good, student. Very nice. 10 rupees note and yes, very good. And 5 rupees, $1 and second one also a 5 rupees. Okay. So 5 plus 5, 10 and 10 plus 10, 20. Understood? Yes. Now student, go to the 10 rupees. Okay. Yes, you want to divide the 10 rupees in 4 parts. That is 1 is in a note and 3 parts, that means they are in coin. Yes, tell me now. What will come? Tell me in a notes. In this note, which number will come? How much rupees note will come over there? Yes, some students are given the very correct answer. Good. It's a 5 rupees note. Okay. After that, what will come? 5 rupees note. Very good. 2 rupees coin. Again 2 rupees coin. Again 1 rupees coin. Okay, student? Yes. Understood? 5 rupees note. 2 rupees coin. Again 2 rupees coin. Again 1 rupees coin. Very good. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Very good. Now next, go to the 5 rupees note. Now next, go to the 5 rupees note. Yes. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 remaining 1. Very good. 2 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 5 rupees. Understood till here? Yes. Everyone understood how to divide the, if suppose anyone given you the 500 rupees note. Okay. But I am going to show you on whiteboard. Okay. If suppose anyone is asking you about the 500. Now note is there. I am going to write here 500 note. See, look at here. I given to draw the shapes only. Okay. Wait a second. Yes. Okay. This is the 500 note. Okay. Now, you want to divide 500. You want to divide 500 in of 5 notes. That is first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. Tell me. Okay, Kapil Tiwari, very good. Maruti, very nice. Manvi, good. Manvi, beta, 250, how it's possible? Yes. How many box given to you? Above that you want to decide. 5, that means 5, that means what? 100 rupees, 5 notes. Good. 100 rupees, 5 notes. Very nice. Okay, good. Understood? Now next sum I am going to show you. Wait, I am going to clear this drawing first. Okay. Now next sum is there. 100 rupees note is there. You want to divide the 100 in how much rupees I am told. Now I am going to tell you. Okay. This is one note. After that, again one note. Again one note. And one coin. Yes, tell me. Yes, anyone have idea now 100 how to divide? Give me answer. No. You want to divide 100 in a 3 parts. Okay, 3 notes and 1 coin. So tell me. Don't go to the 500. 100 you want to divide in a 4 parts. 3 notes and 1 coin. I want to check the answer. Wait a second. 3 notes are there and 1 coin is there. 3 notes and 1 coin. No, wrong answer is there. Arohi beta, you're given 100 rupees total? No. 95 rupees you are sending. It's a very simple, students. 50 plus 20 plus 20 plus 10. Very good. 50 plus 20 plus 20 plus 10. This is the correct answer. Very good. Kapil Tiwari, very good. Yes, Tejaswini beta, your answer is wrong. Wait, I am going to show you how to distribute the 100. This is the note of 50. Okay. 50 rupees note. After that, 20 rupees note. Again, 20 rupees note. And after that, how much rupees coin? 10 rupees coin. So total how much are there? Tell me. Total It's a 100 rupees. Understood? Yes, understood everyone? Okay, now I want to check. Again, I'm going to give you the like this sum on whiteboard. I want to check how many students are given proper answer. That means I understood how much are clear the concept. Okay, now I'm going to write here 250. You want to make the 250 in 3 parts. See, this is the 3 notes I given you, 3 rectangle I given to you. You want to make the 250 in a 3 groups. Very nice. Kapil, very good. Yes, Kapil, how many times you are sending the answer? One time it's okay, no? Yes, Maruti, very good. Another students, why are not responding? You don't know how to add? Another students, I want answer from another students. Don't give the selected students answer. Yes, Manvi beta, your answer is wrong. 200 plus 200 plus 450, that is 450. I'm asking you about 250. Yes, Samarth, good. Astha, very nice. Viraj, good. Yes, Shlok, 85 rupees note is there. In our India, 85 rupees note is there. Tell me. Shlok Dubey. Note is not there. So how are you sending the 85? Yes, 85 is the wrong. Very good. 250 you are divided. No beta. Purvaja, what are you sending the answer? 290 I am not going to ask you. I am going to ask you the 250. Very good, Adarsh. Yes, 85 rupees note is not there in India. So how you are sending the 85 Shlok? Sneha, 20. Only 20? Yes. Okay, what is the correct answer? I am going to write over here. See. 100 plus 100 plus 50. Understood? Understood everyone? Yes or no? Okay, now I am going to change the number here. Everyone watch it properly. What I am going to ask you now. Watch it properly. Okay. Now I am going to write here 300. Which 300 you want to divide in how many parts? 300 you want to divide in, wait a second student, I am going to show you the columns. Wait a second. Three notes are not there. I want to rub this. Wait a second. Okay. Now next. Yes, look at here. Now I am going to draw the shape of note. Yes. Now tell me. 300 you want to divide in 4 groups. You want to make the 4 part of 300. Tell me. What is the correct answer? Now I am waiting for the answer. Now I am waiting for the answer. Very good, Samarth. Shravani beta, your answer is wrong. Kapil Tiwari, very good. Arnav, very nice. Manvi, good. Sakshi, Viraj, Maruti, Shlok beta, how you are sending 100 rupees only? How is possible? Shlok, you not understood how to type the answer, how to do the addition. Yes. Arnav, Kapil, your answer is correct. Very good. Yes, I am coming to the Shlok. Wait a second, student. Yes, Shlok is there, beta. Am I audible clearly, Shlok? Unmute yourself. I am going to ask you some questions. Shlok, unmute yourself. Yes. What are you sending the 100? You don't know? Shlok, I am going to unmute you, okay? Yes. Why are you sending the 100 rupees? How it's possible? 300. You are going to make the parts of 300. 100,
Yes,
what is the
teacher.
answer? That is wrong answer. Shlok, beta, you clear the concept how to add the coins
Yes,
and
teacher.
notes. Tell me about properly. Tell me properly, Shlok, you are clear the concept? Because another all students.
No, teacher.
Yes, Kapil Tiwari, you stop.
No, teacher.
About him, I'm talking about him. You are not the teacher. You don't send the reply. You give only the answer. Okay? Yes,
Yes,
Shlok?
teacher. Yes, teacher.
Beta, your voice is very low. Say loudly.
Yes, teacher. Okay.
Beta, you not understood the concept how to add the coins and notes? Hello?
Yes, teacher.
Say it loudly, Shlok. I'm
Yes,
talking
teacher.
about you.
Yes.
Understood? Today what we
No,
learned, you
teacher.
understood?
No, teacher.
So why are you not asking? Teacher, I not understood the concept. Explain me again. It's my responsibility or your responsibility? Tell me. Give me answer. Whose responsibility it is?
Teacher, yes.
So why are you not asking, beta? And all answers are given the wrong. All answers are wrong. Not only single answer is right. Now I'm going to explain you again one time. Okay?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Now concentrate properly. See, I'm going to show you the whiteboard again. See, I'm going to write here the note of 50 rupees. I'm going to draw the note of 50 rupees. Okay?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Now 50 plus again I'm going to add here 20 rupees note. Okay? So yes,
Yes.
now tell me 50 rupees note plus 20 rupees note is equal to how much rupees are there total altogether?
70. Teacher, 70 rupees.
70 rupees. Very good, very good, very nice. Now next sum I'm going to ask you. Next sum, that is a note of 100 rupees. Yes. Watch it properly. The note of 100 rupees plus the note of 500 plus note of 1000 rupees. Yes, tell me, is equal to how many?
1,600.
1000 plus
1,000.
500 plus 100. Yes, Shlok, I'm waiting for you. I want answer from you.
600. 1,000.
No, beta, you want to read like this, 1600.
1,600.
Understood? How to read 1600.
600.
Understood now?
Yes, teacher.
Shlok understood how to read the numbers, how to read the...
Yes,
If
teacher.
suppose anyone is given you the notes and coins, so at that time, how to add
Yes,
and how to read that number. Understood?
Yes, teacher. Yes.
Okay, now mute yourself, beta. Okay, student? Clear everyone till here? Yes, give me response in a chat box. Everyone, tell me about